Would it be nice if you could turn your $10 into $100? And would it be even more nicer if you could turn your $100 into $1,000? Well, that's why I'm here today to let you know a secret side hustle that nobody's talking about. This side hustle has the potential of turning your measly $1 into $1,000 in a short period of time. The cool thing about this side hustle is that it doesn't require much capital. Just a couple of dollars will get you going. And I will be guiding you step by step on how you can get started so that you can start generating passive income. But before we get started, I have a question for you. Do you go to the movies? And if you do, what do you usually buy before you go to the movies? Well, of course, the obvious, you buy a movie ticket. But what do you buy before you go inside the movie? Well, if you're like me, you would obviously buy some popcorn before going to the movie. But have you ever noticed the price for a bag of popcorn? Sometimes the price of a large bag of popcorn can be as much as $10 in some movie theaters. Now, I've always asked myself, if you can get yourself a bag of popcorn for $1 at a dollar store, why would somebody in their right mind spend $10 at a movie theater? Why not just pop the popcorns at home and just put it in your backpack and go to the movie theaters? Now, I'll have to admit, I'm the cheap person who used to do that. And to be honest, I still do that today. Just kidding. But after a while, I realized that customers were purchasing the experience rather than the popcorn. People are willing to buy popcorn at a movie theaters, even though it is expensive because of the unique atmosphere that a movie theater provides. Going to the movies is a fun, exciting experience that many people enjoy, and part of the experience is enjoying the snacks. People often associate popcorn with the movie theater experience, and the smell of popcorn in the air adds to the atmosphere. Popcorn also tastes better in the movie theaters because it is freshly popped and served with real butter. It is a convenient snack that is easy to eat in the dark theater and provides a tasty treat while watching the movie. The reason why popcorns are expensive at movie theaters is because they need to make a profit on each bag of popcorn they sell. Movie theaters typically pay around 50 cents for a large bag of popcorn and then charge customers up to $7.50 for it. On top of that, popcorn is a high margin item for movie theaters, meaning that it doesn't cost them a lot to make, but they can make a lot of money from it. This makes it an attractive market to mark up, allowing movie theaters to make a profit on each bag they sell. Now, because there are customers willing to pay a premium for a bag of popcorn, this is where you come in to take some of the market share. Now, you don't have to reach the same level of success as movie theaters. However, in this video, we will discuss practical ways that you can earn passive income through selling popcorn. Now, the type of popcorn that you're going to be selling to consumers is referred to as gourmet popcorn. Gourmet popcorn is a type of popcorn that is made with high quality ingredients and flavors. It typically has more intense flavor than regular popcorn and often contains a variety of seasonings and spices. Gourmet popcorn can be found in a variety of flavors, such as savory, sweet, and spicy. Some of the most popular flavors include white cheddar, dill pickle, and caramel. Regular popcorn is typically made with just oil, salt, and popcorn kernels. It is usually light and airy, and usually has a salty taste. Gourmet popcorn, on the other hand, is usually made with more than just oil, salt, and popcorn kernels. It is usually denser and more flavorful than regular popcorn. Customers buy gourmet popcorn because they offer a unique and enjoyable snacking experience and can be a great gift for any occasions. It can be packaged in gift baskets, tins, or even bags, making it a great way to show someone you care. Gourmet popcorn can be priced higher than regular popcorns because it can be marketed as a gift. The key to success when starting a gourmet popcorn business online is to have a strong online presence and a well-defined marketing strategy. Having a strong website that is optimized for search engine visibility and optimized for mobile use is critical. Using social media and other online platforms to promote your business and its products is essential. Additionally, creating a unique and appealing brand identity will help to differentiate your business from the competition. Almost 80% of the US population is your potential customers. You should broaden your marketing efforts to include TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. TikTok is an ideal platform for marketing gourmet popcorn as it provides an interactive and creative platform for engaging with customers. To start, you should create a hashtag for your popcorn brand that is both unique and catchy. You should then create fun and creative videos featuring your popcorn, emphasizing the unique flavors and texture of your product. Additionally, you should use the platform's challenge feature to create engaging content for users to participate in. By using hashtags, challenges, and engaging videos, you can create an online presence that will draw in customers and build brand awareness. Marketing your gourmet popcorn business on Instagram is also another great way to reach potential customers. You can create a visually appealing feed that highlights your popcorn's unique flavors and ingredients, creating an inviting and engaging experience for your followers. When going this route, be sure to use high-quality photos and videos to show off the product and its packaging, as well as to capture the fun of eating it. Also, you can create content that educates your followers on the different flavors, health benefits, and other aspects of your popcorn. You want to use relevant hashtags and post regularly to engage with your followers and stay on top of mind. Finally, you can use Instagram stories and live features to connect with the customers in real time and build relationships with them. Facebook is also another excellent platform to market your gourmet popcorn. You can create a page specifically for your gourmet popcorn with information about flavors, ingredients, and nutritional facts. You can also post regularly about your gourmet popcorn, such as photos and videos of how it's made, recipes, and special offers. You can also join relevant Facebook groups and start conversations about your gourmet popcorn, as well as share your posts with other members. Finally, you can run targeted ads to people who may be interested in your gourmet popcorn and use the analytics available to track the success of your campaigns. There are many places where you can sell your gourmet popcorn, such as Etsy.com. If you would like for me to make a longer video about how to market your gourmet popcorn business on any one of these social media platforms, leave a comment below. When starting a gourmet popcorn business, the first step is to source the best ingredients and supplies to make your popcorn. Depending on your budget and what type of gourmet popcorn you plan to make, you may need to invest in high quality ingredients such as organic popcorn kernels, flavoring oils, and seasoning. You'll also need to purchase supplies such as popcorn machine, popcorn scoops, and popcorn bags or containers. Fortunately, there's a lot of online retailers that will sell all the supplies that you need in order to make your gourmet popcorn. For example, the Popcorn Supply Company offers a wide selection of popcorn supplies, from popcorn machines and bags to flavorings and seasoning. Amazon also has a wide selection of popcorn supplies and ingredients, making it a great option for those on a budget. Also, you can find supplies from local retailers such as kitchen stores and grocery stores. Now, once you gather the equipment and the ingredients that you will need to make your gourmet popcorn, this would be the opportunity for you to explore which flavor would taste the best. Popular flavors include cheddar cheese, white cheddar, caramel, garlic parmesan, jalapeno cheddar, and honey mustard. Other gourmet popcorn flavors such as peanut butter, chocolate, and s'mores have also become increasingly popular. When it comes to running a successful gourmet popcorn business, packaging is one of the most important elements that you must consider. The right packaging can make a difference on how your customers perceive your products. Packaging should be designed to draw attention to your product and showcase its unique features. This can be done through bold colors and interesting designs. Packaging should be practical and made easy for customers to store and transport their popcorn. For example, if you offer single serving sizes, small resealable bags can be a great way to package your product. Packaging can also be used to help create a memorable brand experience for your customers. You can include special touches such as custom labels or unique packaging materials that helps to make your product stand out from the competition. In addition to the design of your packaging, it is important to consider the environmental impact of your packaging choices. Choosing sustainable materials and avoiding excess packaging can help you minimize your environmental footprint. If you guys want a longer video on how to go about starting a gourmet popcorn business, leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a productive day and see you in the next video.